Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the rotor post, which is, we've got our blade here. So now I'm going to create the post, kind of the middle part of the blade. And I'm going to go to new, I'm going to use metric, I'm going to go to standard millimeters, create that bad boy. This part should be one of the easiest ones of the package. So I'm gonna go to start a 2D sketch. I'm gonna select this plane here, XZ. I'm gonna use the circle with the center point. I'm gonna click the yellow dot in the middle. I'm gonna drag out. This one's gonna be 6 millimeters. Then I'm going to finish my sketch. That was easy, right? I'm going to extrude my sketch. I'm trying to figure out how I want to extrude it. I'm going to go, yeah, that's good. Yeah, from the bottom up. I'm going to go, my distance is going to be, let's say it's 16. Here. Click OK. And from the top, I'm going to kind of round it off. And to do that, I'm going to use the fillet here. I'm going to select this circle edgy thingy. And I'm going to try to get it where it rounds. So it's 2. I'm going to go 3. See what that does. Perfect. All right, that works. So I'm going to hit apply. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to shell, just so I can create like a hole through there. I mean, I could use a hole, but I'm going to do the shell. So my thickness, yeah, is 1 millimeter. And I'm going to remove face. So I'm going to click this bottom to get rid of that. And yeah, there we are. So I'm going to hit OK there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a chrome. Let me go up to Autodesk Appearance Library. Let me look for, there's a polished chrome in here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, here we go, right here. Boom. All right, I'm gonna go with that. Looks weird, only the top part is showing, but realistic. Anyway. Yeah, that's what I want. So yeah, I'm gonna hit file. I'm gonna save this as, I'm gonna call this the post. I don't know what else to call it. And then save it. All right, so there's that piece. And then in the next video, we're gonna create like the whole rotor blade assembly thingy. We'll put them all together. All right, see you then. Behave yourselves.